excited. We are going on the Carnival Horizon today. Now, this is actually my last cruise. My last Carnival cruise was exactly 1 year ago today, and it was the Horizon. So, if you have not checked out those vlogs, then I will link it down below. But for right now, this is a whole new cruise, brand new cruise on Carnival Horizon, and I'm excited. So I'm going to take you on this ride just for a little bit as we explore the ship and we'll get into this. Is an 8-day cruise. I'm going to the ABC Islands, so I've never done that before, so I'm excited. Make sure you guys give my video a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe for more content. But for now, let's get into this video.
So once we got on the ship, they had some of the crew members passing out drinks. Now, they were not free. I thought they were, but they were not. And if you took one, you were pretty much gonna pay for it. So, but I did not want to take one of those drinks because clearly they are most likely watered down.
Okay guys, so I am finally in my room and I'll give you a little room tour later. Not this vlog, so you gotta stay tuned for the actual room tour of the inside. I'm in the inside family harbor room on deck 2. So yeah, I will definitely let you see. It's not much, it's small, but it'll do. This is my new home for the next 8 days, so I'm excited. I'm actually so excited to be back on Carnival. The last time I was on Carnival was literally 1 year ago, back in November of 2023. So I've come full circle and I have cheated on Carnival with all kind of other cruises. But I'm back and I'm excited and I'm ready to have fun. We are going to the ABC Islands. I can't wait. And this is Chloe's 3rd birthday cruise, so we're gonna party, turn up. I'm gonna decorate her door. I have some magnets here. Yes, so I'm gonna put them on the door, and then we're gonna get her whole birthday party started. So her actual birthday is actually on the what is it, the last sea day, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, so she'll be turning 3 on this cruise, so we're gonna have fun the whole cruise. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see what we got going on with the Sailway.
And good afternoon to everyone, and this is your Captain Rocco.
But as long as your legs will take you, you gotta get back up as well,
The Sailway Party on Carnival Horizon is always a good time. It was fun. The crowd was into it. The fun squad was interacting with everyone. So it's always a good time at the Sailway parties. Sailway Party was done, I headed straight to the back of the ship, or aft, and I love to watch the sail away from Miami. It is so beautiful leaving Miami, and you get to see all the ships and just the buildings of downtown Miami. It's gorgeous. Do not miss it during sail away. There were a lot of ships that we sailed by before we went out into the ocean, but we sailed by Icon of the Seas last, and I just got the best view of Icon of the Seas as we were heading out into the deep blue ocean. And you know, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous view. Here I headed to the popular Alchemy Bar, and I wanted to try something new on this cruise. I normally get 40 is the new 20. I think that's what I normally get. But I wanted to adventure out into some new drinks here. So I asked the bartender, and they gave me the strongest drink that they had. And it is called the Quick Fix. The Quick Fix is the strongest drink at the Alchemy Bar. So I said, give it to me. I want something strong. I'm on vacation. And they gave it to me, and it was green, and it was nasty. It tastes like licorice, but I had to drink it because it was $16. But it is not good. Now I'm going to leave you guys here on this short vlog, but do stay with me with the other vlogs because it is a doozy. So I have plenty more vlogs coming. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.